Hey folks, this video is going to quickly cover the 4 P's of marketing with a bonus 5th P to help formulate your marketing mix. The 4 foundational P's of the marketing mix are product, price, place, and promotion. I typically also suggest evaluating people as well. Product is literally what service or product offering will we provide and where is it in its life cycle. How novel or differentiated is it from other similar offerings in the industry? Price at its most simple point is how much someone is willing to pay for a product, and this needs to factor in real as well as perceived value. This should also take into consideration seasonality and potential for premium pricing or required discounts. Place is the where of our business. Online or in-store, or within a store, where is it going to be positioned? Companies spend a lot of money on premium shelving locations at grocery stores, and this all ties closely to how we will be delivering our products to our customers. Promotion revolves around advertising. This goes hand in hand with how customers purchase our products. Do we go online, on TV, through a podcast, on social media? And we also want to think about timing here as well. Across all of these, we want to consider people, in other words, our customer, and how each of these decisions will impact them. The driving force behind any business decision should be who our customers are, how many of them are there, and how are we optimizing the value delivered to them. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more if you haven't yet. Comment any professional or business questions down below. Work smart, be kind, help others. Here's my cat. Bye.